Understanding Tooth Decay, an English Learning Guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common health-related phrase, tooth decay. This phrase is not just important for your health, but it's also useful in everyday English conversations, especially when discussing dental care. So, let's dive in and learn all about it. Tooth decay refers to the damage to a tooth caused by harmful bacteria in your mouth. These bacteria produce acids that erode the tooth's hard surface or enamel. When the enamel is weakened, cavities or small holes can form. If left untreated, tooth decay can lead to more serious problems like pain, infection, and even loss of the tooth. Key points: damage to a tooth caused by bacteria results in cavities. The phrase, tooth decay, is made up of two words, tooth and decay. Tooth. This is a hard, bony structure in the jaw of most vertebrates, used for biting and chewing. Decay. It means the process of being destroyed or broken down, especially by natural processes. In this context, it refers to the gradual destruction of the tooth. When combined, these words describe a common dental health problem where teeth are damaged over time. Let's look at how to use tooth decay in some example sentences. 1. Preventive measures can help avoid tooth decay. 2. The dentist said my tooth decay was caused by excessive sugar consumption. 3. Regular brushing and flossing can reduce the risk of tooth decay. In these sentences, tooth decay is used as a noun. It's the subject in the first sentence and the object in the second and third sentences. And that's a wrap on tooth decay. Remember, this phrase is not only about dental health but also a useful part of your English vocabulary. We hope this video has been informative and helps you in your journey of learning English. Keep practicing, and don't forget to take care of your teeth. See you in the next video.